Welcome guys, today we are going to be making a building plan using Revit. Let's get started. So here we have where it's written projects. So here on projects we are going to go on new. Then here we can select the template file. Under here we have some other options which you can go with, but for today we are going to go with architecture templates since we are going to be making most of the architecture designs. Our drawing will involve architecture, so I'll go with architecture template. Then here we will make sure on project, then go on OK. This time after I've done this, you are going to have a workspace like this here where you can do your drawings. Once we are here, we can go here where it says elevations, then go on east. Then we are going to have this. Then I'll go here where it's 4,000 like that. I'll click there again. Then I'll change this to 3,000 millimeters. Then I'll go on enter. So once here I'm done, then I'll go on my level 1. Here on my level 1, I'll try to set my units. So I'll type UN. Then once you type UN, you're going to have something like this. So there, here we have the discipline. So these are the project units. Then here we have the discipline. Then here we have the electrical, structural, piping and energy. Then we're going to go with the common one. Then here we have our length in millimeters. I'll keep this since all of my drawings are going to be in millimeters. Then these are the units that I'm going to be using. So I am okay with these units. So I'll go on okay. Then once I'm here, I'll try to import my drawing. So I have a drawing which was drawn on AutoCAD. So I'll try to import my floor plan, and from there we're going to make our building. So once I'm done with all these, then I'll go on insert. Then here there is where it says import CAD. Then I'll go here like that. Then here, this is where I have my drawing. Then I'll just go here on Revit. Then this is the type of floor plan which I want to import to Revit. So I did a video of this just in case you can look up the video on how you can import AutoCAD drawings. So once I'm here, I'll just go okay, I'll preserve my color. Then my layers are all, I want all of my layers to be imported. Then here it says import units, it's on auto detect. Then here there are some other, if you are sure of the units, you can just select the type of units that you're going to be using. But if you are not sure, better just leave it on auto detect. I always leave it on auto detect. Then here there is positioning. Here I'll go with manual to origin like that, since I want to do it manually. I want to import my drawing manually. That's why I chose manual to origin like that. Then here, once I'm done with that, then I go on open. Okay, so this is the drawing that I want to import. As you can see, you can just move it and position it anywhere I want. So I'll just position it here. Then I can zoom in like that. So I want to remove these texts that are here, the text. So in order to do that, I'll type VG. So type VG. like that. Then your graphic, your visibility graphic is going to show. Then once I'm done here, once this shows up, you can go where it says imported categories. Then it's going to bring your layers which were created in AutoCAD. So these are the layers which were created in AutoCAD. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off my text. I'll turn off my text like that. So once I'm done, then I'll go on apply. So as you can see, all of my texts which were created in AutoCAD are now off. So once I'm done, I can go on okay. So once you are done here, you can start drawing your walls. So in order to draw your walls, you can just go on architecture there, then you can go on wall like that. Then here it's going to bring the walls. So here you have to set your walls again, the types of units, the thickness, and so on, also the height. So we are going to go where it says edit type there. Then here you are going to go where it says duplicate. Then here I'll try to add my thickness of the wall. So my thickness of this wall is about 150 millimeters. Then I'll go on okay. So once I'm done here, then here it's written structure. Then here at the end of structure it says edit. Then I'll click here on edit. Then here where it says 200 again, I'll change that figure to 150. So once I'm done here, I'll go on okay. Then I'll go on okay again. And here it says where it's written unconnected. Here where it says unconnected, I'll click here. Then I'll change this figure which says 8,000 to 3,000. So that's going to be the height of the wall. I'll change that to 3,000 and I'll go on apply. So once I'm done here there is what's written location line. Then here it's written wall center line. So you can bring that down. Then there are types of lines there which you can select, but for now we'll be using the wall center line. So click there on the wall center line, and once you have done all this, you are now ready to start making your walls. So what the wall center line does is that it will find the center of the floor plan, and like that, then you can start making your wall like that. So this is how you can make your wall in Revit. Then you have to press escape. Then you can go here where I want to make another wall. Then you can just do that, and with that, then you can go up to there like that. You can make another wall here. At the far end. Okay, you can just keep on making these walls until you are done. So let's go. We need to finish making our wall in the floor plan. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, up to there. Go on top. Up there. And we can make a wall here as well. Make a wall here. Going down. Okay, I'm going back again, and let's make a wall here. Wall here up to there. Then go on escape and make a wall here. On this side, up. All right, you can make wall here now. Okay, we can make a wall here. Here. A wall here. Okay. On escape. Then we need to make a wall over here. We need to make a wall here. wall here, up to there. Okay, and wall here to there. Okay, we are almost done. Okay, yeah, now we are done. I'm gonna escape. So once you are done, we need to see this in 3D now. Let's see, since we have done all our walls, let's see this in 3D. So you can go there on view if you want to see this in 3D. Then you can just take it out in 3D over here. Then go on 3D. So this is what we have done in 3D. So we have made our walls like that. This is how you make your walls. So let's change this to realistic. So in order to change it into realistic, we're going to click here where it says visual style. So we are in hidden lines now. Then here there is the wireframe. Then you can just change here the shaded. You can just pick any if you want, but for now we want this to be in realistic. So click on realistic and we have that. So I think this is enough for now. We don't want to make the video long, so we are going to continue in the next video. We're going to pick it up from here. So in the next video we are going to add our openings, such as the doors and windows and some other openings in this house. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good day.